Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the car, please help me click that subscribe button and that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys be updated. So right now I'm working on a 2016 Mazda 3 2.0 liter. Right now I'm replacing the alternator. This car is also the same as the Toyota IA. I believe Toyota IA or Toyota Yaris, the same engine. So what I did for the alternator, I took out the connector right here. This is for the alternator, and this one, a small one, is for the compressor. The one on the bottom is for the compressor. Took it out of the way, and I disconnect the positive on the battery terminal. What I did next is I removed the belt. You can see the belt's right there, and you're gonna take out the tensioner. So there's one bolt right here. There's one bolt, 12 millimeter, and then there's another bolt, 12 millimeter. So you're gonna take that tensioner out to get to the bottom bolt of the alternator, and the top bolt of the alternator is right there, sitting right there, 14 millimeter, and the bottom one too also. The two bolts on the tensioner, you can slide it out like that, just like that. You can see the bolt, the top bolt, the bottom bolt right here. Once you have moved the tensioner, you're gonna break loose that 14 millimeter from the alternator right there. That's the bottom bolt. I got the two bolts out already from the alternator. This is the top bolt. For the bottom bolt, you're gonna so once you loosen it, it's gonna be very close to the frame. So I kind of slide it out, kind of tilt it a little bit to slide it out this way, and then I loosen the AC line, the bracket, so that way I can move it out of the way to get some room to sneak the alternator out. So right now I have my pry bar. I'm gonna pry the alternator out. There you go. There you go. So I already got the alternator out. This is the exact same position. I got the alternator out. So I took out the fuel rail sensor connector out from here. I took out the ABS connector out. Press on this tab right here and move this lock down to get it to unlock. So when I remove those two connectors, kind of move my way out, sneak it out from this way, exact same position as I put it like that. The new alternator I bought, this reman, that's the part number right there. You can see it's a remanufactured new alternator, old one. Snuck my new alternator down. For the bottom bolt, you're gonna put the bottom bolt first because the bottom slot right here, this slot is open, so that way when you line up the top bolt, you put the top bolt in and then you just swing down the alternator, and that way the long bolt it'll slide in right in the slot right here, because this slot is open right here. So all you gotta do is just line up the top one and swing down the alternator, and then tighten it down. Now I got my alternator in already, the bottom bolt's in and then the top bolt's in. For the tensioner, you can see this bolt is kind of long. You can see that it's a long bolt. So that slot right there, let me zoom in. That slot right there for the tensioner, that's an open slot also. So you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna hook it onto you're gonna hook its top part right here into that stud, the top, and then that slot you're gonna slide the bolt in the same way you did for the alternator. Pretty much almost everything back already. Reconnect all my connector. Reconnect my ABS connector, the fuel rail, the alternator connector, and the compressor connector. Reconnect the positive on the alternator too, and then I put back my negative on the terminal. You can see here his old belt. There's a lot of cracks all around the belt, and I bought him the new one already. You can see there's a lot of cracks on the belt. That's a bad one. Here's the new one I bought, brand new. That's the part number. So now I'm just gonna install it. So right now I got everything back in and running normal. The car has 200,000 miles. Runs a little bit rough, but can't expect for more. So here I got my jumper in. The battery's kind of in a terrible condition, but the alternator should be charging at anything from 12.7 and up, 14.5 and under. That's the right amount of charging system voltage. Anything under 12.7 considered as kind of low, bad. Anything over 14.5, that's considered as overcharged. That's bad also, but this is perfect. So this is it for this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.